everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Scene Card. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in www.sceneplus.ca and press enter on your keyboard. Click on the register link at the top right hand corner. Now enter your email address in the first text box and make sure to provide a valid email address. Go to the next field and create a password for your account. Make sure to include at least 8 characters in the password. Enter at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, a number, and a special character. After you type in the password, confirm the password by retyping it again in the next field. Agree to the terms and conditions and the privacy policy by checking the box. If you picked up a card in store and you'd like to register with it, click yes. If not, click no. And after you are done filling all of the information, click on the next button. Once you finish off your verification, you'll be able to complete your sign-up process. Now, you can easily use your Scene Card to earn points every time you purchase a ticket or concessions at a Cineplex theater. That is how you can easily sign up for Scene Card. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.